So we want to create a new product, so we go to Products, Add Product. We're going to copy the headline from the old site for one of the products, paste it in. Copy the description from the old site and paste that into the description on the new site. I'm going to get a snippet of the description to use further down. Then we're going to get the main product photo, paste that in, change the product type to a variable product. And then we're going to add the product ID. Go to Attributes, and in the drop down we leave it as Custom Product Attribute, and we add, which is creating a new product variable. So for this we're going to say size, and then we're going to add the various sizes in here. Each size separated by a pipe, which is the straight line up and down. Vertical line, I should say. And they're going to separate all the different sizes. So you've got size 10, 12, 14 and 16. Make sure you've got it checked, visible on the product page and used for variations. That'll then ensure that when you get the product page it'll have the drop downs so that you can select whatever size it is that you want to buy. We're going to save that now. We go to Variations, create variations from all attributes. You get a pop-up saying, do you really want to do this? Click OK. It says 4 variations have been added, and there's your 4 sizes, 10, 12, 14 and 16. You click on the little arrow to open them up. You can put in individual product ID numbers in here, so if you want to put add the colour or the size to the end of the ID, and that specifies then that it's a specific size and it differentiates it from the other sizes and colours. You've got to make sure you put the price in. If you don't put the price in, it won't show. If the price is the same for all the various sizes, then we can set all the various sizes prices all at the same time. So we go to Add Variation and we go down to Pricing, Set Regular Prices, and that sets the same price for all the different variations. So you get a pop-up and it says enter the value. In this case it's £45. It sets them all to £45. As you can see, £45. Okay, and now we have all the prices set in all the various sizes. You might want to just change the product ID for each one, so size 14 has a 14 on the end, size 16 has a 16 on the end. That's just my personal preference, so I can differentiate between the different sizes. So if I get an order I know instantly what size it is, what colour it is. Okay, now we're going to publish that and go and view the product. There it is, you've got all your different sizes there to select from. And if we take a look in the shopping cart, we can see that size 16 has been added to the shopping cart. Okay, so now we're going to add a new variation. We're going to add colour. Again, make sure that visible on the product page and use for variations is checked. And there is a selection of colours already there, but if the one you want isn't there, you need to add new. Pop-up comes up, you type in the colour you want, in this case claret. Another one, so again click add new and we type in olive. So now we're going to remove two of the sizes, just leaving the 10 and the 12 just to make it easier. So we've got two sizes and two colours just to simplify things. So we're going to create new variations. It's created 8 variations. It's created a few more than we need. We don't need the 16s and the 14s. So we can just remove those. That leaves us now with size 10 in claret, size 10 in olive, a size 12 in claret and a size 12 in olive. And if you like, you can go in and let the product ID reference the colour and the size now. In my case, I've just added to the end of the product name, I've added the size 12 and C for claret and O for olive. You can use whatever coding system you want to use. You can use the manufacturer's own ID if it makes it simpler, but I just found this way easier. So we update the product and go and have a look at the product, and now we can see there's a drop down for size and a drop down for colour. Add that to the basket and go check the shopping cart, and you can see there's a size 12 in claret in the shopping basket. Now we're going to go to variations again, and if you wanted, because there's two different colours, maybe you want to show your customers each of those colours, so you can click on the icon for each variation and you can add another picture for that product. So if you've got an olive jacket, you don't really want to be showing a claret jacket, you want to show the olive one. So on the claret product we've put a claret jacket, and on the olive product we've added another image for the olive jacket. And we just save those changes. And go and view the product. Now when we change the drop down and select a size and a colour, we change to the olive jacket, it shows the olive image. We change back to the claret jacket, it shows the claret jacket.